Hey guys, it's Corey Melville with the Diner Realty and welcome to my latest listing at 12094 Yellow Pine Street Northwest here in Coon Rapids. This property is an end unit townhome with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. In fact, it's one of the only units in the entire neighborhood that has a 3/4 bath on the main level. The property also features an updated white kitchen, vaulted ceilings on the main level, and great outdoor space. Why don't we head inside and take a look? All right guys, thank you for checking out my new listing here in Coon Rapids. For more information on the property or to check out interior photos, click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all on the next one.